Hey, it's Joseph here. Today we are looking at a product from MSI. They have sent me this product for me to do a video like this. It is called Clutch GM41 Lightweight Wireless Mouse. So before we go ahead and open the box, let's have a look at the box itself. On the front over here, we got MSI logo with the name. It says something about RGB, and I also see a little picture of the USB dongle, USB Type A, and then a wireless charger perhaps. It says with charging dock, so I'm guessing that is a charging dock. And also seeing the side, gaming mouse, Clutch GM41 Lightweight Wireless, and everything in French as well. And a couple of features that are noted here: ultra light gaming mouse, and it is just 74 grams. So it is a very light mouse. And also PAW or POW 3370 optical sensor. So it boasts extremely high optical sensor designed to deliver high speed at 400 IPS and up to 20,000 DPI with a 1 millisecond pulling rate. And then all speed, no wires. You're doing all of this wirelessly with 1 millisecond latency, 80 plus hours of fast-paced aiming. So you can have up to 200 hours of normal use on a single charge, and then you can easily charge it with a charging dock. And a couple of specifications over here. As I have said, the polling rate is 1000 Hz / 1 millisecond, and max DPI is 20,000, and there are 6 buttons, and the button durability is 60 plus million clicks. Connection is done via 2.4 gigahertz wireless. The dimension is such, and then the weight is 74 grams. And in order to use this mouse, you're gonna need to connect the dongle, which is Type A USB 2.0, and the box content includes the charging dock, the USB dongle, the braided USB cable, as well as the mouse itself. And I think that is pretty much it. So let's go ahead and open it. And to be very honest, I have not used MSI mouse before, so I honestly don't know what to expect, other than the fact that I am currently using MSI headset that I have unboxed and showcased in my previous video. So just know that that is my daily driver. Perhaps this is worthy of my daily driver material as well. I don't know, we'll see. Curious black box in here, and then you lift the top. Nicely presented. MSI Clutch GM41 Lightweight Wireless. A bunch of information in multiple languages. So here is the docking station and the mouse and the cable. Let's get to the docking station first. I suppose you put it on the table like this, and it is angled for you to put down your mouse easily. I do see a little peel over here, so let's go ahead and do that. So it is a rubber feet, so it rests nicely on top of your desk. I do see micro USB port over here, which you will connect your cable perhaps to connect this dock, and there is a little hole for the cable to be routed through. And then here are 2 prongs, perhaps connecting to the mouse itself. And here is the dongle. So it is fairly small, USB Type A, and it's been inserted here and has a sticker that says only for MSI dongle using. I'm not sure what that means. Only for MSI dongle using. I think it meant only for using MSI dongle. And because this has USB Type A port built in, I guess this works as both the receiver and the charging dock for your mouse. That's a nice integration. So lay that flat on the desk, and then you can pull this to get the mouse out. And here is the cable. One end is USB Type A with the little tag over here. Nice cable tie. Undo this. And then the other end is micro USB. So perhaps that connects to the dock itself. So just connect that underneath here, and then just route the cable like that so it lays flat. And then connect this end to my computer. And then the mouse itself. The mouse itself is quite light. It doesn't feel like it has a battery in it, but it is fairly large, so it fits comfortably on my hand. Actually, there's not much of a pinch grip going on. a very comfortable grip. Let's actually remove this side peel or the arrow that's been drawn. And at the bottom over here, we've got the white pads, the PTE pads on the front, around the sensor, and at the bottom side. And then here are the contacts for the dock. And then the power button over here with the serial number and the model name up there. And then perhaps that is to connect your mouse or a secondary button. And in terms of the aesthetics, I've got the dragon logo over here. It does look like it may light up. We'll see about that. And then here is a rubber scroll wheel. And here are the clicks, the main left and right click. And here's a wheel sound. And then also the side forward and the back button. And then here's a bit of rubbery grip on the sides, on either side. It could be somewhat ambidextrous, meaning that you can use it with your left hand as well, but you wouldn't be able to use the forward and the backwards button. And also, I think it is contoured slightly skewed so that it fits your right hand a bit better. So I don't think this is meant for left hand use, but maybe it is ever so slightly skewed for your right hand. I'm not 100% sure. My eyes could be tricking me, literally, but I feel like you could use it with your left hand. Either case, I'm gonna use it with my right hand since I'm right-handed. But overall, the mouse fits very comfortably in my hand. My hands are not terribly big, but I don't really like small mouse because I don't like the pinch grip that tends to give me a bit of pain on my hand. So I prefer sort of the bigger mouse. And yeah, this feels good. Let's go ahead and turn it on by turning this switch, and apparently that lights up. Consulting the manual, it says the button on the side is actually a DPI switch. So this button would be the DPI switch that you press to control the DPI or cycle through. But you can also do different type of adjustment combining DPI button with other buttons over here. So DPI plus right button is to control the brightness of LED, and then DPI plus scroll wheel is changing the mode. DPI plus side button 1 is controlling the speed. DPI button plus side button 2 changes color. And currently the mouse itself is just cycling through different colors. I'm not exactly sure what it is doing. I did find that there is a micro USB port that is available at the top of the mouse, so perhaps I just need to disconnect the dock itself and then connect to the mouse. It is quite a snug fit. It just fits perfectly and keyed like that, so you can't even fit it the other way. So that's nice. The cable itself is braided. Nice quality cable as well, although it is somewhat tangled like this. But it is definitely moving my computer cursor. The sensitivity is quite low at the moment. So I just need to press that button once and then it becomes slightly faster. And then it is blinking in red now. I guess it is faster, even more so. And then yellow, okay, that is even faster. And then green, even faster. So I guess it gets faster and faster. And in blue, it is the least sensitive mode. I think of around red is where I am most comfortable with. So it is functioning just fine. So how do we connect this wirelessly? So pull out the cable, and obviously it is no longer connected. So I need to somehow connect this back onto the dock, and then I just need to connect this back onto the dock like so. And then, yep, the mouse is still working. It is connected via this dock over here and the dongle that's been connected to the dock. So I just needed to connect to my computer via wire that is connected to the mouse once, and then it is staying connected via this dongle over here. And in order to charge the mouse, let's test that out. I just need to lay this down and then it is charging. It is just letting me know that it is charging by blinking light. Holding down DPI button and the right click, which is a right button that's been noted, and it changes the brightness. I can be the brightest or turn it off altogether. I'll just do it the lowest brightness, just so that it is not so much in your face, but I can still tell what is going on. So I can just hold down the DPI and then scroll wheel. I can just click through to different modes and then turn it back on to red, and then click again. It's gonna breathe, and then again it's just gonna slowly cycle through different colors, and then in white is the next one, and then turn it off. I'm gonna keep it at red for now, and then also I can change the speed, and then it is supposed to change the speed of color change perhaps, but I'm not in a changing mode, so I just click that once so that it is breathing faster perhaps. Yep, so as I change that, it is going to breathe in different speed. So this is sort of the slowest breathing mode, if you like that. And then I can go to different color cycling mode so that it is changing color slowly. Okay, and then I can also choose color. So hold down the DPI button and then press that button to change color. I guess you can't really change color when you are in color changing mode. So I can go to the red and then just click this to change to different colors, green, blue. I like the white, but my usual choice is this color over here. So let's leave it at that, and I think we are good. And I was able to update the firmware on it wirelessly, but now if I click on it, it says please connect the wireless into a wire mode to check mouse firmware version. So I'm gonna actually do that and click on it. New firmware is available. Please update to the latest version. So currently it is being updated, making sure I've got the latest firmware onto my mouse. Okay, so the firmware update is completed after a brief moment, and here I can actually change a few things. So I can set up different profiles, and I can set default actions for these mouse buttons, the middle button, back button, forward button, and then go into the sensor editing mode. DPI level is currently set at 3 and polling rate is 1000 Hz. Lift off distance is low. Angle, snapping, motion, sync. I actually have no idea what those things mean, but I can see the battery level, and then LED auto sleep mode if you want to conserve the battery, and then low battery warning OSD can be turned on if you would like. So further controls are available in the MSI Center app, although you don't have to use it, it just worked out of the box. So I'm gonna try and use this mouse for a bit in my productivity and also business use, as well as some gamings on the side, to see how adequate this mouse is for my daily use. And if it is good, then I'm gonna use it for my main mouse. But that can only be determined after some fair usage on a mouse. But today's video is meant for more of an unboxing and the setup experience of this MSI GM41 mouse. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to check it out. If you have liked this content, please like and consider subscribing to my channel to continue watching these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.
has destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy.